Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Above the Clouds bundle from Stampin' Up. So here's the card, super fun, super cute. It's got the hot air balloons and it's got some nice grass. I used the Above the Clouds stamp set along with the hot air balloon punch. These are available in a bundle for 10% off. You can go to my website, elainescreations.net, and if you use this hostess code, I'll send you a free gift. I also have an Above the Clouds class, so it includes 6 cards, so you'll get 2 of these cards, 2 of these cards, and 2 of these cards. I have limited kits, so email me at elaine@estampin.com to get your kit. It includes the hot air balloon punch and the stamp set for $50 and then $5 shipping. So to get started on this card, I'm going to start by stamping the clouds in Whisper White, because those are going to need a little bit of time to dry. Stamp one up here. Okay, so now I'm going to set this aside to dry, and I've got these 2. And go ahead and set aside the card base too. So now I have a sheet of paper that I'm going to use to stamp the balloons. So I've got the first balloon in Pumpkin Pie. And I've got the second balloon in Gorgeous Grape. Now I'm going to use a filler stamp to color in the balloons. I'm going to stamp off and then stamp there. And then we'll do the same thing with the grape. And we get this nice soft color, and then this balloon gets a fun banner across it, and then I've got another filler stamp to go inside the little banner pieces. I'm going to bring this back because I forgot to stamp the birds. So I'm going to stamp these birds real quick. So we've got some birds here, got some birds up there. Now we have the little baskets. And I'm going to stamp them on just a little thin piece of paper separately from the balloons, because I'm going to punch them out separately. And then this one again I'm going to stamp off so I can get that lighter color to color my little baskets. So now to punch out the baskets, I flip the punch upside down so I can see where I'm punching, and I place the little strip of paper in place to be punched out. I just find it easier to stamp and punch the basket and the balloon separately. So now let's do the balloons. Pieces, and then dimensionals. We also need to stamp the sentiment. So I used a 1.5 inch circle punch for that. And then I stamped it in black. Let your dreams soar. So that will be on dimensionals 2. It's got dimensionals for these. And then this one gets dimensionals. And this one. And then little dimensionals for the basket. All right, now we can start to put this card together. Not quite dry yet, but I'm going to be very careful and adhere it to the card. The Whisper White ink takes a little bit of time to dry, so just take that into account when you're using it. This one I'm going to put down flat. I used the In the Woods dies to create like a rolling hill. And then I will put the second one up on dimensionals. Now we can put our balloons in place. So we have one down here, and the other one is up higher, over here. And then I've got the basket right here. And this one is just flat. So let's just put that one flat. We have our sentiment. And then the last thing I forgot to do is do some coloring. So I've got the Highland Heather Dark, and I'm just gonna carefully color in the top here. It just gives it more contrast. And then carefully try to color down here. Okay, and then for this one I'm going to use the dark pumpkin pie. And I'm going to color in the top. I think I used the other point. And color this bottom piece here. Try to not get the basket. And there we go. We have our Above the Clouds balloon card. So again, go check out my website, elainescreations.net. Use the hostess code and I'll send you a free gift. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.